DoorDash sometimes switches your pickup order to delivery due to restaurant settings during busy hours, app glitches, or system errors. This can lead to unexpected delivery fees and delays. The main reasons include restaurant preferences during peak times, technical bugs in the app, or back-end system issues that cause these automatic switches. First, always double-check your order type during checkout to ensure it's set to pickup. If the switch happens unexpectedly, immediately contact the restaurant to confirm if they can still prepare your order for pickup. Next, use the DoorDash app's help section to report the issue and request a refund for the delivery fee. Clearing the app's cache or reinstalling the app can resolve persistent glitches that cause these changes. Be ready with screenshots as proof when contacting support. To prevent future switches, enable notifications within the DoorDash app to stay informed about order status changes in real time. Utilize the order tracker to monitor your order's progress and confirm its type. If problems continue, consider contacting DoorDash support via live chat or email, support@doordash.com for deeper assistance. Some users have found success by opting for Dash Pass, which offers free pickup options and may improve order type stability. DoorDash is also working on updates to its app that will allow users to lock in their preferred order type. If none of these work, consider third-party apps for placing the order. This will confirm if it's a glitch in DoorDash or a restaurant-specific issue.